Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Kevin. Nice to meet you. Remember to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. In this video, I'll show you guys how to install these SharkBite push to connect valves. When you're ready to install one of these push to connect valves, make sure you turn off your main water line and drain out your whole water system. And after that, make sure the pipe that you're attaching the valve, make sure it's clean from debris. Then you're ready to start. For this installation, all you need is a pipe cutter, but it doesn't necessarily have to be this big. If you guys don't have this, you can also use a super sharp razor blade. So you put it on, and once the blade is on the pipe, you don't want to push it all the way, just put a firm pressure. Once you have a firm tight pressure, do a 360 rotation. And keep turning the knob, applying more pressure as each 360 rotation you do. This will slowly cut the pipe, giving a nice clean cut. Once you have made your fresh clean cut, you're ready to insert your push to connect valve. It doesn't matter either top or bottom, you choose. Push it nice and tight till it stops. There you go. And that's how you install the push to connect valve. Once you're done installing the valves, turn on the main water and double check for leaks. And pray to God it does not leak. Everything looks nice and dry. What a simple, easy install. Now I'll do a demonstration with the razor blade knife. Don't worry guys, I tested this before and it works. With the high quality SharkBite valve, you're allowed for room for error. So what we want to do is to cut the pipe as straight as possible. Okay. These valves can be installed in wet or dry location. So all you would have to do is just insert into the valve, push and connect. There, now it is on successfully. Now I'll do the upper side. Insert and push down. And now we have completed our attachment. Let's wipe the area dry before we do a leak test. I guarantee this will not have any leaks due to SharkBite is a premium product. Okay, everything is wiped down dry. Now we can do a leak test. I'm going to turn back on the main water line. Now let's take a closer look up. Looks nice and dry. No leaks. It passed the test. What a premium product. Thank you for watching my video, and remember to subscribe to my channel if you haven't and give this video a thumbs up. I'll see you until next time. Peace out. Hi guys, I would like to enter a contest to win this beautiful Chromecast. On how to enter, click this link above, should be right here, or in the description below, I'll put a link to my Google Chromecast unboxing video. That's where you have to make a comment, give the video a thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel. The contest ends when it hit 5,000 subscribers. Then I will announce the winner. Good luck everybody.